I ordered a package from ASOS, which is one of my favorite brands here in Europe. I like this brand because wala masyado sa Pilipinas. Let's do my first unboxing. So, first I ordered these cords. What? Parang shorts.
Few inches later.
Oh my god. So mali agad. Pareho siyang shorts. Walang top. Anyhow. Okay, so first, ito muna yung shorts. I like ordering from this brand kasi we don't have this in the Philippines. So, you know, when I wear them, wala akong kapareho. Which is, I like. So mostly I ordered like shorts kasi, you know, Pilipinas. This one. Cute. Para siyang cargo na shorts. Tapos ito, what's this? Parang I ordered sandal. I also ordered a lot of like tops na sleeveless. Kasi ang init sa Pinas. Yan, cute. Kasi medyo cropped siya. Oh my God!
Oh my God! Wow!
This is so cute. Ito pantalon siya. It's like pants. Pero cute kasi super flared yung ilalim. There. As you can see, para na siyang skirt. Pero cute kasi parang pa-flare siya. Pero like this. Super cute. I'm excited to wear this. Ayan, ganyan siya. This one naman is reclaimed vintage. Parang vintage shirt na crop. Plain lang. Tapos this one naman, ayan, para lang siyang shorts na plain lang din. Ayan. Love this color, that's why, malamang, that's why in-order ko. This one naman is, ayan, parang medyo mahaba lang siya, pero we're gonna have to make it work. What else? This one naman, para siyang, crop din siya na sleeveless, pero the design is super cute. Ayan. Okay, so for the next one, parang basahan. It's also like a sleeveless, pero cute siya. This. So mostly, I bought a lot of like whites, mga ganon, kasi I don't know, I feel na if I wear black sa umaga, parang super init. I don't know if it's just me or ganun din kayo pinalaki. This one is also like a sleeveless. Cute siya kasi colored. Ayan. Super cute. Yung tela niya is parang tuwalya siya. So, hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ako dyan or cute to. Short siya. Pero this has terno. Ano na yung terno niya?
A few moments later.
One pair of pants later.
One eternity later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Oh my God, wala din. Girl, wala din yung terno. Kasi I ordered this, para siyang may terno na, para siyang vest, pero sleeveless. Ang cute. Ang cute sana nun. Together with this, pero wala. Anyway, ito naman is like the same as kanina, pero blue naman. Para kahit yung mga small intestine ko kita. So, kala ko ba puro white? Ito, white na talaga. It's like this, pero sleeveless din. Cute. Parang daming mali sa order ko. Oh, ang cute. Ito naman, parang siyang slacks. Pero yung bottom niya is flared din, which is I love nowadays. Ayan. Cute. Ano pa ba? Tapos ito naman, parang I have a lot of sandals but I realized wala akong masyadong plain black. Tapos sa likod, like this. So this one, parang ganun ulit. Pero, in this color. This one naman is a t-shirt. I love this. Like lately, I've been wearing mga Parang medyo fitted ulit na top kasi, well lang, it's cute. Tapos medyo crop siya here, which is super cute. Parang it's like the same as the black one kanina, pero in white naman. Kasi if I like something, I like the design, I get the other colors. So, ito, white. See, puro white. This naman, and parang wali siyang sando, pero cropped siya. Yan, pants din siya, na flared. Ito yung front. Bottom niya is flared din. Cute. Para siyang mint yung color. Actually, when we went to Italy, I didn't bring much clothes para, I can buy stuff from here kasi I know that I love the clothes from here. Ito, yung white version ng black kanina. This one naman, para siyang spaghetti straps. Is a top as well. Again, it's sleeveless. Ganyan siya. Cute siya sa summer kasi parang super presko. Ayan. This one naman, pants din. Ayan, puro flared. I love that style. Yung masikip, medyo masikip here. Tapos, paluwag sa baba. This is the print. Ayan, cute din. Kasi parang may pockets din here. Ayan. Maganda to, pero panggabi. Those are all the clothes that I bought. Pero this one I also bought. It's a hat. Cute siya. Kasi para kang sa safari. Bagay ba? Pababagayan natin yun. Cute siya kasi malaki yung dito niya. I have like this na mga hat, pero hindi ganitong kalaki yung brim. Brim ba yung this one? Yeah. Tapos, for the last one, I bought this one. Earrings lang siya na parang pointy lang siya na stud. And now, we'll be trying first, let's try the black one. Saka yung flared pa. Sakit yun. Medyo flared siya. Goodbye. Oh, this is a nice church. Oh, so, may gawin paraan to. Lavage. This one naman is yung parang spaghetti straps. Yan, that's the back. That's the front. Diba? Parang bakla ka ba? Huy, wala kang patunay. Damn! Okay, so this one naman is yung gray na vintage shirt na I told you about kanina. Cute siya. Diba? Ganon. So, ito naman yung sando na see-through. Medyo malaki lang siya ng konti. Pero, it will work. This one is the brown one naman. Iba ng style siya. Medyo malaki din. Grabe, this is already like extra small. Pero, malaki pa din siya. Pero cute yung color. Cute siya with beige shorts. Mga ganyan. This one naman is the white one. Kanina yung black. Ayan, let's see kung may pa Jutongs reveal. Meron! Kailangan talaga mag-tape. Free passes, ganun.
Stop it. Get some help.
So, this is the white one naman na parang basahan. The one I told you. Cute din siya. Yeah, this one naman is the green sando. Medyo mahaba siya lahat. Pero cute naman. Cute na lang lahat. This one is basahan number 2 in cream naman. Mas light yung kanina. Cute siya. Cute yung print. Oh my God. Kailangan mo push up. Grabe yung revealing niya. This one is yung white.
Shimmy that like, shimmy that like.
Charet. So that sums up all my orders. I hope you guys enjoyed.